all, welcome to Explore Evermore. Today let's see how to easily solve aptitude problems on age. Before we start looking at problems, let's understand basic concepts of age related questions. Always these questions will be focusing on present age, past age and future age. So we should keep in mind that we should always take the present age as x. So when they ask us to calculate the past age or future age, we can keep x as the present age, and suppose if they ask us to find the age before 3 years, that means we need to minus 3 from the present age. So it will be x minus 3. Similarly, if they ask us to find the age after 5 years, for example, so we need to add 5 to the present age. So this way it will be easy for us to form the expressions and find the present age. And also there are questions that we get based on the ratios. So let's begin and solve the problems related to the age. So the first question here we have, Ram's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. Then the present age of Ram is. So what they have given, they say that Ram's age after 15 years. So first of all we need to take the present age of Ram. So let's say present age of Ram is equal to x. So we already know that we should take present age as x. So after 15 years, so what we'll do, just write the expression as you read the question. So they say after 15 years. So it will be x plus 15. Will be, that means it will be equal to 5 times, that means 5 multiplied by his age 5 years back. So what would be Ram's age 5 years back? So it is x minus 5. So we arrived at this expression now by reading the problem. So we need to always divide the problem into the expression like this. So make sure that you read the problem and write it as you read. So it will be easy for you to come at this expression. Now we need to solve this expression and we will get the answer. So let's write it. X plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 25. So let's just reorder this and let's put x here and 25 to this side. So what we'll get? We will get 25 plus 15 is equal to 5x minus x. So this is 40 and this is 4x. So now we know that x is equal to 40 by 4, which is 10. So the solution what we got is x is 10 years. That means Ram's present age is 10. So the right option is option A. So this is a very simple basic question that we'll get. So if we always practice such questions, it will be very easy to solve these questions in the aptitude exams. Now let's move on to the next question. So here they have given the sum of ages of a son and father is 90 years. After 5 years, the age of father will be 3 times that of son. So the present age of the father is. So here they are asking present age of father. As we know, we need to find the present age of father. So let's take present age of father as x. What they have given? The sum of ages of son and father. So let's write sum of ages of son and father, which is 90 years. Let's say father plus son's age is equal to 90. So father's age we already know, that is x. So x plus son's age. We don't know what is son's age, so we'll just write it as it is, which is equal to 90. Now son's age also we can write in terms of x. So son's age will be 90 minus x. So we got to know son's age, we can write it like this, and father's age we can write it like this. So they say after 5 years the age of father will be 3 times that of the son. After 5 years means we need to add it. So x plus 5 will be equal to 3 times that of son's age. So son's age we know that is 90 minus x. So 90 minus x, and again since it is after 5 years we are just adding 5 here. So this is our expression. So it is x plus 5 equal to 3 into 95 minus x. So again x plus 5 is equal to This will be 285 minus 3x. So let's bring x together and the constants together. Okay, so we'll get 3x plus x, that is 4x, will be equal to 285 minus 5, which is 280. So x will be 70. So we have that as an option B. Now let's see next question. Hari is 20 years old and Gaurav is 30 years old. How many years ago the ratio of their ages was 3:5? So this is little tricky question, but it is easy to solve. Okay. So now what they are saying, Hari's age and Gaurav's age is given. So let's write it down. Hari's age is equal to 20 years and Gaurav's age is 30 years. So we need to find how many years ago their ratio was 3:5. So whenever you see ratio, it is always like a fraction. So how to write it? So they say past ages, we only know the ratio, that is 3:5, but we don't know how many years ago. So that we need to find. And present age, it is 20:30. So let's write the expression with this information. So what we'll do, we'll just write 20 minus x. This is the years ago that we are going to find. And divided by 30 minus x. This will be equal to, they have given the ratio will be 3/5. So now, once we evaluate this, what we will get, just cross multiply this. 5 into 20 minus x will be equal to 3 into 30 minus x. So this will be 100 minus 5x, which is equal to 90 minus 3x. Just bring x into one side and the constant. So what we'll get? 100 minus 90 is equal to 5x minus 3x. So it is 10, which is equal to 2x. Now x is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. So 5 years ago. So the right option here is option C. Now let's move on to the next question. Tavan's age after 15 years will be 3 times his age 5 years ago. Then the present age of Tavan's. So they are asking to find us the present age of Tavan. Present age of Tavan. Let's take it as x. They have given that after 15 years, so x plus 15 will be 3 times his age 5 years ago. So 5 years ago his age will be x minus 5. So this is the expression. Now let's solve it. We get x plus 15 is equal to 3x minus 15. So we get 15 plus 15, which is equal to 3x minus x. So this is 30, which is equal to 2x. Now x is 15. So the right option here is option A. This is also quite simple question. Now let's see one more type of question. I am 4 times as old as my son. 5 years hence, I will be thrice as my son. So the sum of our ages is. So here we need to understand, they are asking to find the sum of age of the parent and the child. That means, let's say my age is equal to 4 times son's age, right? So now let's take son's age as x. Son's age, let's consider it as x. So what will be my age? 4x, correct? It is 4 times the son's age. Now 5 years hence, that means 5 years later. So we need to understand, if they give 5 years hence, that means they are asking about the future age. So what we need to do, we need to add 5 to this. So what we should write, 3 times that of son's age. Son's present age is x. 5 years later, x plus 5. So 3 times 5 years later, 3 times that son's age will be my age. That means 4x plus 5. So both sides you need to add plus because it is 5 years later. So now if we evaluate this, we will get 4x plus 5. So let's bring x together and the constants together. So we will get 4x minus 3x. So this is 10, which is equal to x. So now we need to read the questions. We got x as 10. No, that is not the answer because they are asking for the sum of our ages. So it will be x plus 4x. Just put x, whatever value we have got in this. So this will be 10 plus 4 into 10. So 10 plus 40, which is 50 years. So this is the sum of both ages. So always read the question. At the end, whatever they are asking, we need to come to that answer. So just finding out x is not the answer sometimes because the question they are asking will be in a different way. So this way we have lot of different questions. So keep practicing such questions, and this is one of the easiest questions among the aptitude questions. Please do subscribe for more such aptitude related videos. Thank you.